Hi, I'm Paul from Velo Works, and I have set myself a challenge to see if I can build a quality set of hand-built gravel and all-road wheels for under £300. I've already built the front. Let's get on and build the rear, and I'll talk you through the specifications and the cost of these lovely wheels. So the specification of these wheels, we have lovely Bitex hubs, sealed bearings for Shimano HG cassette, so fits all Shimano group sets and some SRAM group sets. We've got a center lock rotor. We have lovely gravel rims from DCR wheels with a 23mm inner rim width. They're 21mm deep, and they should be good for tyres from anything from 32mm upwards, probably topping out at like about 50mm. Super strong, really robust. They have 28 spokes on the front, 28 spokes on the rear. The spokes are DT Swiss, as you can imagine. Competition double butted spokes. They're 1.8mm in the middle and 2mm at either end. Super strong. These are our go-to spoke and just really, really robust. And we've got DT Swiss Pro Lock nipples. We love using Pro Lock nipples. They have some thread lock inside the nipples, so it just kind of solidifies the build, and you can still true as normal afterwards if required. But you shouldn't need to, because these will be dialed in and give you loads and loads of service life. So those are the wheels. I'll carry on building, and then at the end I'll let you know the price. So a couple of other good points about these rims. They're tubeless compatible, and they'll be fitted with DT Swiss tubeless rim tape. So you can use them tubed or tubeless. Also, they have an asymmetric rim profile. So what that means is the spokes are slightly outboard of the disc side and slightly outboard of the drive side at the rear. So it basically means that the spoke tension is more even. You don't have such a drop of spoke tension on the non-drive or the non-disc side. So yeah, really nice. You build them in all the same way, but they just come up a little bit more evenly balanced than we get them. So yeah, crack on a little bit more, and then we'll reveal what price point we have brought these wheels in at. So let's go through the full specification one more time, tell you our plans for the wheels and the price. So full specifications, we've got Bitex hubs, DCR gravel all-road rim with a 23mm inner rim width, good for 32mm tyres upwards, tubeless ready with an asymmetric rim profile. We bring all these together with DT Swiss competition spokes, black, and DT Swiss Pro Lock brass nipples, built to perfection for 12mm through axles, 100mm spacing at the front, 142mm spacing at the rear, center lock rotors, and Shimano, good old Shimano Hyperglide cassette. And the price that I've been able to bring these in on is £299.99, so £290, £299 and 99 pence, and that includes free postage, all in, tubeless tape fitted, ready to go. All you got to do is chuck some tires on, discs and rotors, boom, and you're riding. And the plan is to try and have these in stock all year. So especially in the summer when we get a huge waiting list for wheels, it's what we want to try and do this year have wheels for people that we can just pull off and go, there's a great set of wheels, you're good to ride. So those people that need a set of wheels really quick. So this is going to be one set of a collection that we'll have ready to roll. So if you fancy having a look at these wheels, check out our website, check out the link that's probably floating around or somewhere. And if you have any inquiries or any questions, please let us know in the comments or through our website. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.